Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Liquid Web Managed Hosting for security hardening. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Liquid Web website. Locate the Managed Hosting section on the homepage. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button. Select the hosting plan that best suits your needs. Review the features offered in each plan. Click on the Order Now button for your chosen plan. Fill in the account setup form with your personal details. Provide a valid email address and create a secure password. Enter the payment information required to complete the purchase. Review your order summary to confirm accuracy. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Click the Complete Order button to finalize your registration. Once registered, log in to your Liquid Web account. Access the dashboard to manage your hosting settings. Navigate to the security options within the dashboard. Select the appropriate security hardening features you wish to implement. Consider enabling a firewall for an added layer of protection. Activate automatic backups to safeguard your data. Proceed to install necessary security plugins offered by Liquid Web. Customize security settings according to your specific requirements. Regularly monitor the security dashboard for any alerts. Schedule periodic reviews of your security settings. Continue to update your system and applications to the latest versions. Engage with Liquid Web's customer support for any assistance needed. Stay informed about new security options and updates from Liquid Web. Complete these steps to ensure your managed hosting environment is secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.